Hello everyone. So we record this video to show a go through in filing the latest form PMT09. This form has come as a much sought relief since the beginning of the GST regime, in which the taxpayers are allowed to transfer amount from any one of the cash ledgers to another cash ledger. So to file this form, we have to go to the services tab. It's tucked into the ledgers tab inside electronic cash ledger. It is because of the fact that only the cash ledger amount can be transferred from one ledger to the other, from CGST ledger to SGST or to IGST, and in any other combinations as required. That too, inside the sub ledgers, we can transfer it from tax ledger to penalty or late fee or interest as required. So we click on the electronic cash ledger, which takes us to the next window. Here you can see file GST PMT09 for transfer of amount. We click on this. It's a very simple form. In this particular case, the amount is tucked into the penalty part, central tax penalty 700 and state tax penalty 700, though it was meant to be paid into some other ledger. So today we get the opportunity to transfer it to the correct ledger. So we click on file GST PMT09 for transfer of amount. This takes us to the next window, which is actually the GST PMT09. Here they show you the cash ledger balance. Here we can see in the cash ledger balance under central tax, under the minor head penalty, an amount of rupees 700 is being shown, and similarly under state tax under minor head penalty 700 rupees is being shown. Now we wish to transfer this to the tax ledger under the same major heads. After the above table, there is another table which shows cash ledger balance preview of updated balance. This will be updated once we transfer the amount. So here is the table which is required to be filled up, called add record. So we have to transfer from the major head CGST, minor head penalty. Amount available is being shown here, auto populated rupees 700. We transfer amount 2 as shown in this heading. The major head, we transfer it to CGST itself under the tax head rupees 700. So what we do is we save this part. Yes, I'm sure. Processed records validated successfully. It gives you the option processed records validated successfully, and it gives you a preview of what we have done. If we click on proceed to file, it gets completed. So we have to verify it, show the authorized signatory, and file GST PMT09. After this, only the confirmation process either through AVC or through the DSC will have to be done, and this will get completed. That's all. Thank you.